Hey guys, this is Santos with Flashy Jewelry. Back with you guys again. It's been a while since I've done one of these longer videos, but wanted to show my subscribers and any other viewers some of the new pieces that we have in our website. We've got a various assortment of pendants with necklaces, and they're very inexpensive on our website, flashyjewelry.net. And without further ado, I'm going to start showing you some of the stuff we have. The first item I'm going to show you is it's a slot machine pendant, and it has the 3 7s on it. Very nice piece. Like I said, this is rose gold plated, and I think it says, it says Lucky on the top. Lucky and the 3 7s. It's a slot machine. As you can see, it has the little handle here on the side. Has quite a bit of definition and work on it. Like I said, this is rose gold, and if you buy this on the website, it comes with its own necklace. Comes right in the package, and like I said, we have these on our website very inexpensively. I think they're $49.99 on the website, and that is plated rose gold. We also have these pendants here. It's kind of like, well, I'll show you guys here. And all of these, the bail is pretty big, so you can get a bigger chain or necklace. And this right here says ATM, addicted to money. So, and like I said, this is gold plated with CZs in it, and it has a couple CZs on the veil also, and it's closed back. It's not all the way solid, but it's by no means a light piece though. But yeah, the closed backing, which is pretty good. And that one is gold plated, like I said. Since I showed you that one, there's really no need of showing you it. Don't really have to take it out the package to show you this one. We have it in rose gold, and I don't think we have it in silver. No, we don't. We do not have it in silver, but we have it in rose gold, and we have it in regular gold. I already showed you the gold one. We also have it in rose gold. Like I said, these come with their own necklace that's free. And then the one I'm wearing here, I have the money one. This one is also plated. This one is gold plated, and what I did for myself is I put it on a regular silver Cuban necklace, but it's silver with gold plating, what some people would call gold vermeil. So I actually mixed it up. A lot of people frown on this, but like I said, I put a gold vermeil necklace and then a gold plated CZ pendant on it, and it looks fine. I have no problem with it. We also have these money pendants here in silver plating. Like I said, those are also on the website. We also have a bit of a bigger piece, and you have these big Jesus pieces, silver plating also. And I think this comes with a rope chain of the same color, silver. And this piece, we also have it. Okay, we have that's the chain that comes with it. 24-inch standard with the silver Jesus piece, silver plated Jesus piece. We also have the piece in gold, and I will show you the gold piece. I just want to show it because I really do like the gold one for some reason, and I'm more of a silver color person, but I do like the gold Jesus piece. And this one, like I said, also comes with its necklace, and we have them on the website. We have various options. We have plated stuff. We have Moissanite. We have Moissanite double rings, the single ones. We also have silver rope chains, the popcorn silver rope chains on the website. Also, if you want to get like a silver pendant, kind of like what I'm doing here, a silver pendant with a silver plated pendant with a real silver necklace. Sorry about that. Stumbled over myself there.
Stay upright and he tripped.
I'll show you some of the necklaces we have, the thicker ones. We have these here. These would be a little extra. These are the ones with the CZ stones in it. I'm gonna take it out the package just so you guys see. These are still in their plastic, so it doesn't matter how I handle it because they're covered up. Bear with me, guys, trying to open these things. It's a bit of a pain, but yeah, guys, while I'm opening this up, I want to send a special shout out to James Custom Jewelry. He won the contest and it stopped. This is crazy. So you can check his channel. He did a review on the silver plated tennis necklace, and he did very good on the review. He compared it to one of his silver pieces, so you can check out his channel. But sidebar a little bit, but yeah, these are the ones here, and they have CZs in the stones, CZs on them also, so it's not just a plain silver plated necklace. And I think these are 10 mm, and we also have these on the website, and I think we also have a 13. Let me double check there if we have it. Yeah, we do. We have a 13 here, which is a little bigger. That was the 10 I just showed you. We have a 13 also. Actually, said we have a few of them in there. And let me show it forward a little bit. It's right in the plastic, and that's what we have them in. It's in the plastic on there, and we have them in a plastic bag also. So they're very well protected. And I think we have them in gold also, gold plating. So I'll try. We don't have them in gold plating, so those will be on the way though. I am ordering more stuff. I just wanted the ones that we do have, like like let's say you order the Jesus piece. Like I said, it comes with a free necklace. This would be the necklace you get with the Jesus piece. This is a free necklace, so guys, don't kill me about this one. I would suggest if you bought the Jesus piece to get yourself like gold over silver one like I have, and there's quite a few other companies that would sell something of that nature. We do have it in regular silver, but here's the necklace that would come free with the gold Jesus piece. It's a regular 10 necklace, so for the time being it would be good, but I would advise you probably investing in a nicer piece, like a nicer necklace, like silver with a gold plating, like kind of like the one I have here. At least this is a 5 mm. I would actually like something a little thicker for a piece like this, but this one works fine. So yeah, guys, check out the website flashyjewelry.net. We have a lot of new stuff. We have new stuff coming in. Got a whole bunch of new Moissanite earrings coming in. Couple different colors. I'm not gonna get into the colors because I'm saving it for when they show up. And I'll post them on the channel right away so you guys can see. So I don't want to give anything away. And like I said, I'll show them when they get here and you will see. We're also going to be having some topaz earrings. And we're going to have those. Those are going to be very inexpensive. And we have them in an assortment of colors also. And both things are going to have their certificates. The Moissanite will have their certificates, and the topaz will also have their certificates. The topaz will be 5 mm, so they'll be a little smaller, and our Moissanite earrings are going to be 6.5s. And like I said, I'm not going to get into the colors of them. We will see. You guys will see it then when we get to that. Now I'm going to shift over. I want to send my apologies to Sophie Christine. We had a bit of a miscommunication about the giveaway, and that's why it's important you guys watch our videos to the entirety, because we did do the giveaway, but we did say we could only send the gifts out in the continental United States. So we can't ship out of the country just because the shipping cost is so high. And I feel really bad for Sophie, and I hope that doesn't discourage her from doing business with Flashy Jewelry in the future. But we were really upfront with her. She emailed us, she Gmailed us, and we sent her a message back, and we apologized and let her know that we couldn't send her the gift due to the high price of the shipping. So that piece, we will reissue it to another one of our subscribers. That video should be up maybe tomorrow or the next day, but it'll be up. That's why it's important you subscribe to the channel. That way, as soon as we drop that giveaway again, you guys can hop right in and have a better chance of winning. But guys, I'll say it again, continental U.S. only. Sorry, and I apologize to any of. I know I have subscribers outside of the country. I have a few of them, and I apologize to them. Hopefully in the future, if we grow, we will be able to do some of those things for you guys outside of the country. But at this time, I'm just a small company, and I really can't afford to be doing those things. So also, I want to, like I said, I want to send my thanks out to James Custom Jewelry. Check out his channel, guys. Has a lot of quality jewelry on there. Very honest on his reviews. Very honest about his product. He sent me some icy blue Moissanite earrings. Did a review on them. I diamond tested them. They were legit. You guys can go back to one of my old videos. I'll probably post it for here, right around here somewhere. And then it'll show you our video when we did the review of those icy blues from James Custom Jewelry. And very good quality on his earrings. And he's also coming up. He's got a lot of new stuff. We got a lot of new stuff. So support all these YouTube channels and all these jewelry companies on here, big or small. And I follow everybody pretty much on YouTube that does jewelry. I try to give positive feedback. I know James does also, because I see him sometimes in the same comment sections where I'm at for other jewelers and other YouTubers that have content. So we try to support, and we only hope that we get the same support back. So shout out to everybody in the game. Stay free of drama, guys. Just make your money. Don't get caught up in any of the stuff that you can get caught up in here. I'm just trying to push my jewelry company, trying to stay out the way, guys, and I'm doing it very well so far. I'm only accepting the positive vibes. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, get in the comment sections, leave your comments, let us know what you think, what you like, what you possibly want to see in the future. And guys, we'll leave it here. This is Santos for Flashy Jewelry, and we'll be seeing you soon. Get on that website, guys, flashyjewelry.net. Peace.